Hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? You're very much welcome. I want to say thank you for clicking on this thumbnail, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much. New one, you are very much welcome as well. So I want to show you how to make your bole, roasted plantain, roasted fish, and the sauce. Okay, so to enjoy this video, sit back and let's see how we make this delicious meal. So first you need plantain. Don't let it ripe more than this, yeah, because I actually got this when it's not that very ripe, but circumstances could not let me make it that time. So first I want to get it washed and then peel them. So like I said, the one that is not that very much ripe is okay, but this one is still okay because the inside is still a bit strong. And after roasting, this one will be a bit softer than the one that is not up to this ripe level. So after I'm done peeling the plantain, I want to give them a bit cut so that it can cook to the inside. Don't cut it too deep so that you don't cut it entirely. Just a quarter way cutting. So I want to mix my a tea tablespoon of olive oil and a tea tablespoon of palm oil and a pinch of salt, a little bit. Mix it together and apply it on the skin on the plantain. This gives it that beautiful color you do see. Though this part is optional, you can just sprinkle salt and put it straight in your oven. But most times I like to do it like this so that the plantain could be, more tastier. So flip it over and still apply the other side. So you see this quick sauce I made is just perfectly okay for the 4 pieces of plantains. You don't want to mix it too much so that you don't have excess. Just 2 tablespoons of the oils are okay. That is total of 2. So I'm going to flip it back to that side I cut, and this oil, the water I put by the side is to help the plantain remain soft. I don't want it to be totally dried out, though it's optional. So now I want to make the fish I'll be using. So for this fish, I'm just sprinkle salt on it and have a seasoning cube in a way of marinating it. So instead of putting it straight to the oven, I would like to steam it. It's highly advisable you steam your fish. Don't just toss it straight into the oven because it will not taste very great. With this method of steaming the fish first, like this, it helps the fish absorb the marination and the salt you've applied to it, the seasoning cube. It absorbs the taste to the inside. So the fish is going to taste better if you do it like this, other than just marinating it and tossing it inside the oven. So after steaming it for about 2 minutes, I'm going to take it out and prepare a sauce that I'll be using to marinate it further and make a sauce for the plantain. So in my blender I have chili pepper, and tomato is down, and onions. So though it's not much, just few of them, let me say like 4 pieces of chili pepper, 4 pieces of fresh tomatoes, and a medium size of onions. So just put them together and blend. So here is it. On the same pan I used in steaming the fish, I added the blended tomatoes, onions, and chili pepper. So I want to start seasoning it with ginger powder, like half a teaspoon is okay. Nutmeg powder, half a teaspoon is also okay for this quantity. And next I'll be adding garlic paste. I used 3 cubes, or 3 cloves rather. So give it a stir to ensure it's properly mixed. Next I will be adding the remaining half of the seasoning cubed. The total is 1, but I use half to kind of marinate the fish, season the fish, then the remaining half is added into the sauce, and then sprinkle of salt to taste. So once this is a bit cooked dried, I will not be adding the oil now. I'll use part of it to marinate the fish. So I just brought out the plantain from the oven. I want to flip to the other side. It has been cooking for like 15 minutes. Yeah, or baking rather. Baking and cooking, let me know which one, but I know baking is better. So I want to marinate the fish now. You can use your hand, you can use your spoon this way. The pepper hot, so do not that very hot, because my younger ones are still going to eat from it, so I don't want it that very hot. So I want to use it to marinate the fish. On the same tray, you can use a separate tray for the fish, but on the same tray, because it's actually wide, I want to add the marinated fishes on it and then take it back to the oven. So at this point of taking it back to the oven, I took out the water I added by the side of the tray, because the fish is there now to kind of give the oven a moist, and I want the fish to kind of dry. So taking it out is good. Here is water by the side. So on that sauce I added 3 tablespoons of red oil, then add some water, and some sprinkle of onions. This one is also optional, but just to add it for more flavor, and a sprinkle of salt to taste. Once it's cooked for about 2 minutes, I take it aside. So I left the plantain and the fish in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes, and here we go. Everything looked perfectly okay, well roasted, and so beautiful, and this tastes absolutely amazing. So here is the bole on the street. Now you have made your own from your kitchen. No need of craving for that one outside. You can make yours right from your home, and this tastes absolutely delicious. This is scent leaf. Some use otasi leaf. Just add some vegetables to garnish the taste. So here is it, looking so beautifully, and the plantain is well roasted. And before I could say jack, everything was finished. Sorry, I did not invite you. Maybe next time you'll be invited to join. Okay? But just look at the plate, how clean everything was. So I'd like come your way again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, share this video with your family and friends, those you know that will like it, okay? And let me know in the comment section how you make your bole. Thank you so much for watching.